In this video, I will show you how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on loading screen. So let's jump straight into it. So if you are trying to play Marvel Rivals and the loading screen just freezes and you can't actually play the game, then the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam, log into your account and come across to your games library by coming up to the top left hand corner and clicking onto library. Next, what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side, locate Marvel Rivals, give it a click, and then just right click to open up this menu. From this menu, come down to the bottom and click onto properties, and that's going to open up a window like this. And what you want to do is come to the menu on the left hand side, click onto general, and you're going to see a section here about launch options. So at this point, what you want to do is click into the box and you want to type the following command, which is a dash followed by dx11. And once you've done that, what you then want to do is come back to this menu on the left hand side, click onto installed files, and at the top you want to click onto the browse button just up here. So what that's going to do is take you into the game folder for Marvel Rivals, and from here you want to scroll down until you see the Marvel Rivals launcher. So you can see that's just here. Once you've located it, give it a click and then right click to bring up this menu. Then what you want to do is come down and click onto properties. After doing this, you're going to get a window come up like this. At this point, what you want to do is come up to the top. You're going to see some different tabs, and what you need to do is click onto compatibility, and there's a couple of things you're going to want to change in here as well. So the first thing you're going to want to change is this compatibility mode section. What you want to do is tick this box here and leave this set to Windows 8. Now once you've done that, come down to the settings section just underneath and tick the two boxes to disable full screen optimizations and the box to run this program as an administrator. Once that's done, come down and click apply and OK to apply your changes. What you can then do is go ahead, close all this down, restart your system, and when you launch Marvel Rivals, you should now be able to play with no problems with freezing on the loading screen or basically Marvel Rivals getting stuck on the loading screen. So that is how to fix Marvel Rivals stuck on loading screen. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.